Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wina Pujianita Wibowo. My standard number is 2321222033 and I'm from class B. And this is my video middle test phonetic and phonology, and I will explain about the speech mechanism. Before I explain about the speech mechanism, I will tell you about a speech. What is a speech? Speech is the expression of or the ability to express thought and feelings by articulate sounds. First, human versus animals. The most significant difference between a human and an animal is that a human is able to talk while an animal is not. The ability to talk is predation. Humans are endowed with a biological makeup that separates them from animals. The structure of the lungs, the mouth, and the brain enable humans to manipulate the sounds in such a way that they become distinctive when produced. And next, how humans and animals do communicate. Humans are able to communicate with other humans by using language. Meanwhile, animals are not capable of communicating among themselves. They use mean which is not language in the way we normally use the term. They use signal to inform each other. And there is example of animal communication. First is bees. Bees able to tell other bees that there is a nectar available distant from the hive. How much there is by doing a certain type of things. Second is monkeys. Monkeys will say to other monkeys that is a danger eagle flying over them. And last is chicken. Chicken would also produce a certain type of sounds when they find food for the little chicks. And we can say animals and humans are capable of communication. However, the means used are different. A human is endowed with a biological and neurological mechanism to produce distinctive sounds which make up meaningful units referred to as words. And next, about the speech mechanism. To produce a sound, we need fundamental elements. First is lungs. Lungs have a function like a pump that can take in air and push it out as well when we exhale and inhale. And second is vocal folds. Vocal folds have a function to determine whether a sound is voiced or voiceless. If vocal cords vibrate in the throat, uttering a sound, we have a voiced sound. And if vocal cords do not, the sound is unvoiced or voiceless. Example when the sound is voiced. An example when the sound is voiceless is as found and as find. Third, resonators. Resonator the parts of the body that can vibrate in harmony with the voice. And last, the articulators. Inside the mouth, there are parts that block the airstream. These parts are called the articulators. So we have the lips, the teeth, the tongue, and the palate. The lips can be moved to be in full contact with each other to block the airstream. When the air is released through the mouth, we have the oral sounds. And when the air is released through the nose, we have the nasal sounds. The lower lips can also be in contact with the tips of the upper teeth. The air escapes through the narrow opening and the sounds produced are the fricative, as in fairy, and as in very. The tongue is divided into sections. The part closest to the front is called the tip of the tongue. Slightly behind it is the plate, followed further back by the front, the back, and the root. Each part of the tongue has its own specific function. When a human wants to produce a sound, he pushes out the air from the lungs. The air passes through the larynx. It is located the vocal folds. When the human being breathes, he inhales the air from outside. This process causes the lungs to deflate. When exhaled, the lungs inflate, pushing the air out. Speech mechanism therefore pertains to the system of the physiological prerequisites that enable a human being to make meaningful utterances and to understand each other. Produce human speech, it all starts with respiration, followed by the production of sound in the phonation, then improved by resonance before finally given specification via articulation. Maybe that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.